Irish is such a funny and descriptive language, and I'll show you an example of that. The Irish for sweat is Allais, and to Macora Allais means I'm sweating. But I seen it in a local book, Crusa Focalus Chillin, that there was an expression said in southwest Donegal, Begraile na Shandini ra Gurbiad Allais and Jiwal Iad Nimiltigi. A man said that the older people used to say that midges were Allais and Jiwal, which means the sweat of the devil, which is a very descriptive term. And I looked it up in the Standard Dictionary, and Allais and Jiwal translates to the English equivalent is a limb of Satan, which means something wicked, like a wicked child. So so Allais is sweat, and Allais and Jiwal is the sweat of the devil or something wicked, like midges or wicked child. So.